Then open the aerolyzer by rotating the upper part in the direction of the arrow. Please take one capsule from the blister pack and place it in the indentation. Then reclose the aerolyzer until it clicks into place. In an upright position, now press the two control buttons at the bottom end briefly to puncture the capsule, which is verified by a cracking noise. Please breathe out slowly, but not into the inhaler. Then put the mouthpiece into your mouth and enclose your lips tightly around it. Now inhale through your mouth as rapidly and deeply as possible, whereby a buzzing sound will indicate the correct inhalation. After inhaling, please hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds. Thereafter, you can breathe out slowly, but not into the inhaler. Then remove the empty capsule from the inhaler, which also verifies the successful inhalation. If you need to inhale corticosteroids, please rinse your mouth after use and eat something to prevent oral